Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ghana. Happy. Ghana for Jina and Ghana Woda. Ghana Edin 63. Happy birthday to Ghana. Ghana. God bless my homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong. Both to defend and ever the cost of freedom to the right. Fail my to Kumi. Because kuna meka I see I dem refi ntina to papa usa abusa for ene efiada do da bia woni tua wa hwe ba ne betanse no bonkomo ene Ghana di na woda ye parks akọ ye ma akọ machi akọ sa akọ tiantiam dia rusie kuma se na nya asem keto akra wa hanom helicopter nam wiem hu ama for say nanado everything so na helicopter aben nam kuma se asem bebre ene enso efiada me dia ba ebusan for ene 6 March no se na yaka on news ama obia ate no ye o Kumase President Nana Adanko Akufo-Addo ene na pamfo nyina akọ Kumase eho ene ekoye 6 March no me so meni mapamfo ya ba Kumase ebebusa se 6 March ne ba ha no eko sen yetimi ne obia nkodi nkoma keke ese ene Kumase edi nkoma na Kumase kyeremu nti akofa menua be ma Papa Kumase
Wabo Bemedi
Papa Kumase
Wabo Bemedi
Papa Kumase
Wabo Bemedi
that's right Kumase na apomwe
Nyankopon na do menua aboko na so
mesim ho ye pa
ahweye nukredie ni obuo nti ye da so tenkwam
that's right ahweye obuo
ana
nukredie nti ye tenkwam ampa kama pa Papa Kumase na no me no di nkomo times bi ado drop ye no se na amafo kan wasem nya senketo akra
times no
oh
they say unza sack hand back here 10k
that's right
they say me 10 back we 20k
into 10
yes
into never ka 10 be 20k
and se me kan o show you so 20k
next 20k
so when you force any more na e ma me hye me ama mo 10 o si player
ene membo 10 kuma sana ene 6 March e ko say upie
6 March start free be me ka many abe mfa be Wednesday Thursday about 6 March no na airplane petrol Kumase sa na me hu bi da I'm like na I said this time helicopter na nam krom motor pressure maya na so be fa gold akọ na president na aba me hwe mu na say from Wednesday Thursday be Friday ni nyina na say mpanyimfo okrom anu ntina helicopter na nam sa
okay me tell so mo ye dress rehearsal na ada nto mo hese ne
enim enam wiem nu nko de helicopter na nam wo said your mo ye say de de enim okay hu yan helicopter na mo insure kan dan kopon bibia ye kama bibia ye nice bibia ye nice
e da nyame asese bibia ye nice na we de me fa wo enkwa achi 6 March no wanga sa hu ne sen
na 6 March ye den
6 March Ghana awoda independence
enti da bia no I to obi di ni birthday enti da bia o se celebrate Ghana birthday
6 March we di ne dia kai se Ghana Kwame Nkrumah ne ye nananum fo bi betena ase omo ko je independence ma ye mfi abofo nsem enti ye de ye ho
enti ne se ne celebrate na ama omo ko je Ghana ma no omo ni age omo
omo feel say oh yeah adne kwaye no Ghana fo no esom omo bonti omo kaye
enti enso ye kwa people celebrate us
yes
oh okay that's nice
said wo boy Kumase wo kwa obi so mfa di na say obi ebeti no ka say oh na no obi wo wa no friend Kumase no yesi no aha na wanga sa hu ne sen 6 March no
yes 6 March
like hu hia wana
ehia enti na wo ha be simrei because eswa no o say ma sauce white pabwa black
that's right
tade neat uko 6 March expectation here very very high enti 6 March obi ape because die buy di Ghana wo enti ani je nko a
yeah
but I said now this month yes I Ghana month wo ni twa enti 6 March as abebom the insurance cover from crank to crank chilling to the rubber side
that's right
I was already now
that's right
when to 10k 20k so the amount chilling to the rubber side from starting to end Ghana month
okay
so I was already
yeah now who saw match da
mama chipa
sa hey how much now you say we dey ask who to make out
match na say make some match pass say
say kasa na na only deep
man did that bia dey stubborn one am boto
now boto and now you stubborn
oh yes
me lead that
oh the obe lead when him crash say leader obe lead
me lead ko rini 6 March ko manpo a yenya ska kakra ne ade kwa na me primary school. The first time I made there. Yeah.
And you were a winner.
Oh yeah.
God bless you.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Roman form mo hwe me nyina. Augustina Mampon Asante.
Sir.
But Augustina mo nyina be there dance.
Mampon.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Roman.
Oh,
by Kuma.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Nice. Me Roman.
Oh. Me ko see wa wo nyina o.
Ah.
The kids nyina me ko.
Oh, nice.
See wa no Lord 2 Lord 3. Crusader must be kind and helpful. Crusader yes. Me ko Roman, yes.
And I'm not doing command who be
Roma.
Oh, nice.
The bomb suum.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Me ko Roman school man ko Roman sorry.
Ah, okay. You.
Roman school ni kwa na me de koye.
Na
we de menya wi ma me mbusa wo quick ansa na aton command so.
Okay.
Dey na ekoso industry ni.
Ade what say car bobi.
There be.
Na dey na
na say funny face ni kwadwo kan san lewin.
Oh.
Betting kasa twitwi ni. Atemide ni kasa bebrebe bi. Dey na ekoso. One
yo Edika Meka chomu nyina say they should cease fire.
Okay.
When the Meka so be cease fire no. Asono mienu nya ntokwa wo mura mu a. Enua na wo ho no mo kire wo mu. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Funny face kan kwadwo kan funny face so ka. Aden de ye ne ya sele ye ntade fi ye de ntade fi sensan abonten. What you say?
Yeah.
But ukom deep wa kwadwo kan sa nyo no nko an ntokwa na na okwo. Me my idea de na okwo amanka Kumasi for sana me hu no.
Oh.
But e bia statement no make na anya yi because oni bibi lawyer dey we akopra betum no mamen kasa. Award. How many actors who Kumasi na nya award? Even supporting leading there there only say lead there we but supporting how many actresses and actors who Kumasi omonya bi award no ye de mawa Ghana man mawa ketua wo ye de mawa it doesn't go anywhere in the world though. Award whereby you go on stage you get award you come to backstage they take the award from your hands to tell you say kwako branding and then later bring it to you and then you won't see the award again to the next year's award ni bi me am tie me nkokon ntokwa because Kumasi for me dey ache what I say wouldn't say only assume see but because of certain crime and then people want crime the person will went hands down. Do you understand? Yeah. But wo Kumasi dia mo bi free anko akra nipa na bekwa win award na so ti Kumasi no anya de okwa akra na muhu no partiality komo elbe bia is not fair. Ghana movie industry na mo no bebre ba ya adwuma wo bo ma award we award award bibia anta actually plaque na dey there's no money there's nothing when you go outside there when they give you award oma on yema bi ka ho Ghana wo do abastate ni asage award no nti me kwabna safo me tell if you don't award me I don't care.
Ghana movie awards no wonya bi da
ya nominate me ba me nya bi da.
Oh okay.
And a nomination so ma me concline because that award no ma omunim so me be mo no they are the same people they will give it to them whether you go to Accra or you don't go. So me come as if I won't waste time to go to Accra.
Let's a wooch.
And I won't waste time and go to baby Omoye no conference center and I won't go there. Some Accra I won't go.
Uncle.
Yeah.
Let's a wooch ma. Asem na kwadwo bekan no. Na nye say or can say or attack funny face
in or attack funny face. But me no. Na me hunu so okontokwa na me Kumasi fo nyina.
Okay, but huna one can
you see the thing.
Okay.
Because e Kumasi fo asem. Yan hwa de do Easter and Easter Xmas occasion day bia Kumasi people o me na kwhye TV stations ni ma wana study yan hwa de bi ye hia Kumasi fo a ye be frɛ o ma fa bus ba Accra fo be Kumasi they will fly
sir
no kwala make a sure no I am telling you honestly the kind of respected ma Kumasi actors and Kumasi musicians no e would low ba wo na ko tra Accra de e fa high because him say uti Kumasi a won ka ho
na say Kumasi ne Ghana Kumasi e Ghana Accra so e Ghana nti
Accra no difference so uti Kumasi e hu say we different from Accra. I'm telling you perception nyama no sabio twese na uti Kumasi a ye hu say we illiterate. Why am I saying that? Bet me share with your colleague or no actor or Accra or be share no be chan on film.
Oh how?
I'm telling you.
Only asem wo share na chana.
Yes, obi wa ko hu se no wa yinani. Aso onimo but onimo. Why? I'm telling you my brother.
Obi a ono ntokwa ni hwe. Oni nya asem da.
Bebrebe. Who share me actors me colleagues in the ebusa mo. But I no nkyere say me talent na yankopɔ de ama me say me actor me nto ntwene because you speak English I don't speak English. I don't use English dialect. ah me de be kasini me de be twasini ni ntino no
hey I
am telling you Kwaku me interview bi o say the Kuma awards to Sugu and Sana Ghana movie awards very good because they don't give the awards to those who deserve. I am telling you. They don't give the award to those who deserve. And that award it doesn't go anywhere. Ghana movie awards are in echo. Say nominated na na agene na e dan.
Say obetrego. Series say
red guy. Omo gigi bi na echo.
Say me menya na no menya
last year.
Last 2 years. Menya discovery of the year. I'm said Jeffrey not money.
And can for na na Kumasi ni biom.
Nkaise na Kumasi ni o. Nkanfo na me kaise na omodo so.
Oba ne kwan oba ne.
Me wini ye. And na me say wini best lead character in a comedy series. And also me say
wini. No.
And no na ye me refi but I think Funny Face and
2017 and 2018.
2018. Okay. Yeah. Until
I was in the same category with you.
Sir.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I think 2018.
Okay.
I was nominated the same category. I'm saying no, any double munina come say 3 different categories.
Yes,
you see that thing?
Yes.
Sir, and
It's
entertainment.
no but just say me think I dey realize because me to come say.
And no dey me met me account for the fact say me no me dey see agina wa TV so dey wa win but physical say me win.
Okay.
You see that thing? But enya no na ye hwe no kredi a ewo award sunim. You deserve. Let's give the award to the person. We shouldn't do partial. What am I trying to say? You can't say
go for crack say Fred Niama or the awards ni man ni namfo.
I know there omudika because the omo hu no omo ka. What am I trying to say? Wait me aye categories bi mu. No say raise your hands down away. Aso we kona akoba different your opponent and the onwene class obenya no ne akoja. Na awards and as someone je namfo. This award no say Ghana Music and Ghana Movie Award. We shouldn't give it to an individual person. That is why we have entertainment board. I'm telling you, if it's a whole big country as Ghana, near Tony say movie awards, but an individual yo, I don't think it's straight. Trust me. Because I know lawyer, I know Obede, I know offer. Okay, let's see this way. All right, Obede, me no ha, but me offer no ha. Obede no down. There's nothing you can do as an actor. You're nominated. You think that people are voting for you, your family members, your friends are voting. But when you go there, that is where you see say that voting or voting because they are the demand that. And because you can't answer because unim bibi. Fatu said, "Yan shadi ebi. Say bia o de sa categories na kojo ko ho no ato. Enye na make kan wasam. Funny Face on deserve one came fama no. Ye de ama no. That's okay. But kojo mi hu de no okuma se for. Imagine how the kojon cancer jina na papa kumase na de we favorite actor no un say amount for fili omo asabia na humor one sense of humor is omo comic one people feel them, you understand? And then omo ya was omo ankasa nim enyem na mbeka sama Funny Face na mbeka sama kojo, but whatever is going on akofa kojo ni Funny Face wa pie amade me ni akokuma no me so say ebegu ampa so ebegu engukura ni ebegu no because those who are deserving that awards are not getting it. You can't do an award without Kuma Woods.
Now, apart from say Otia or can awards what time be a can and one some da. Say Fred so I better say industry person.
Fred is not a friend to me. And yeah, awards to Dynamic of Fafan.
Say yeah can
program so I can. He will definitely watch it. He will know the points, the weak points I can, and that is the truth. Okay. Because the idea one farm and I day. That is when to call you raising. And I don't think that cancer Funny Face social media
sponsorship because offer Ghana Movie Awards and SNK Ghana Music Awards no same men kra na SNK bank akra but say we share difference na dem pa na say Ghana Music Awards ni nam hanom a Ghana Movie Awards ni shefem hanom ba bi kra
omo pese tuo ne se kan ko stage ana SNK tu he nanka most favorite actor na lewen na squad guo Funny Face na squad guo no be a train most favorite actor na Funny Face wa wene no asole ko na le wen so asole ko congratulating no na ehu ye besi wo so e bi on be say shatter the stone boy bi si wo man si because we are tired of these things man Obi o Kumasi o deserve award yem family because on tin crime. The person can speak English. No, that is not an award. Award you award you deserve na the man. But you can't say that this woman speak good English, this one doesn't speak good English, so I'm giving it to the one. No.
So I mean, okay, me angasa
me starting from 2005 and at 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, Ebano. Yeah, share awards somebody ama bebre na ho they don't deserve the award.
How?
How say?
Say amount to
aba. For your kasa ko ntokwe.
Ebi omo vote here.
E dey vote.
O say amanfo nto aba na amanfo to e. Na amanfo anto ama wanye we no amanfo anto ama.
Sa omo 60%, 70% na omo nya
problem. Ebi one kind of fans anto ama. O ye favorite but one kind of fans.
Ano so ho ebetimi asi. Ebetimi asi ano so ho.
It's eno sa no bega se nipa ni deserve na dey ama na ase obi a sheda court na ba bi.
Uti seteti a ye nyi tete yi forget it.
O say e dey.
Uti enseteti a untimi konkotwa tete yi.
Oh okay.
But the make catch every anu mienu ni say omo mienu no enye problem wo mo side but problem your organizers of the show and the program because you can't organize a program now on first categories and different artists whereby you know say this category when they deserve no
say they deserve in the kra to nchen a me no am say 2017 and nyame adoma me pie
2017 na pie
yes
nice one
and the following year awards no me nya mu 2 na obi a awards mi nko obi da me nya bi da na ya feminine me win award me G award na me kasa we ya me call backstage ana ma me bi sha me no say patch of fama me na kotena say na me say me fama na me kotena say me ntia say
say they took the award
awards na ye 2 pen na wa hanom na ye de ye
class na ye 2
inti no ye wi a ye be sheda afro na the award ama wankasa na me tirima me na akrabat
you gave it out
obi aye
say do the man
what I say
me hold this award na ka program no me say
what I say
because whoever wins an award go backstage you different
no me adentina
this award any credible what am I trying to say you can go to America Germany UK anywhere in the world Nigeria plaque Nigeria here is Zafa award no. Last year we saw our brother Evander Baba. Omoji awards best 6. They brought the plaques to Ghana. Omoji be see Oma who say yes, this is the plaque. But to say me no. They say to say why winning most favorite whatever. Most whatever and why winning out to last 2 years. Okay, let's assume it's okay. There are some people who from Brocheba Ghana. On be a documentary on the awards you guys have taken. Where's your plaque? You should ask Beka. So you think this is fair? You think this is credible and you think this is well organized? No. And people will wake up, bath and leave their houses to wherever they are doing the program. They'll go and sit there for almost 4 hours. Witness fake stuff as well. No. It's about time people have to put feet down. I'm telling you, my brother. Omo deserve I was fama when because a basa ebe gu.
Okay, to see you know. Yemfa you be anton chen. Yemfa we deserve na yemfa man na we deserve no wanya. Yemfa ni nyina anton chen. Fred Niama eye make us industry person. Ye na enua no. Sisi e se Fred hwe program ya. Afuto ben pa na adbe man na.
No so be hwe. Me ye be ka che na mana kohwe. O hwe nso de me ka che Fred ne say first onya ni homework ye. Onya stems on as a tree and I just had a can root on your roots on it down masa nyo nim na school on your root on it down
oh be a host mo na stems no everyone ma
you see that thing root on your root on the ground and san wa make it and just on break it for 1 whole year on big companies here Vodafone is there MTN is there we are sure say a whole Ghana movie awards MTN won't sponsor MTN will come about Vodafone beba big companies, but so what is the reason behind it? Those big companies are not coming because Ghana Music Awards. There are big people almost sponsor. Why can't these big people sponsor Ghana Movie Awards? You go movie in the crowd, you movie more than music. You understand? Music get actually 3 minutes, but movie better be 1 hour. Now that's okay. You get something, you get stories. I'm on phone, me be too awful. In the end, we na said you deserve one farmer na onsu. Obesu. Enye music nko enye movie nko music nyina yewo they are doing it until it's about time. I was paying for them that some music and only moving and almost so many no show almost any America because you're fair.
Okay, so see, you know, MPP about see Eddie NFA, National Film Authority.
Okay.
Aba, yenya papa David Donto. And ya pa on say only animu.
Okay.
Oni na pa for. You see, omo de neme gu akwema. Omo start be ye nema. No mabo ama film industry no. Ya sa hye bukin na agina bio. Futo be na ade be mo omo.
They say yenya ayo for David, Uncle David. When you sa big platform na na when you sa de no. Enye easy why adwuma so big time. Enti ni person no this position man obi e na obeta bi anwinwi. What I say? And ye bomb pies so maba so may adwuma. Mom for money hwenkran ko a. Omo extend wo omo mre Kumasi omo ko north. Omo ko ba bia the industry no ebi wo ho. No mo ntra no mo so omo problem. So what I say? No ni nkomo. Omo pro no mo solve one after the other. Now for mu baby awards na ekwa afa because it's Ghana Movie Awards. What I say? The organizer friend say
Fred Nyama.
Enye Fred Nyama Movie Awards. No. It's Ghana Movie Awards and those who deserve must be awarded. Not those who are like almost efata. No. To say unam social media team ko share ya actually Fred Nyama and Friends Awards. Papa Kumasi and Friends Awards. No. Obi wa brochi no here who say we are playing. The person won't come. Because me organize awards Papa Kumasi mama Obi, mama Sakode, mama Papa Juve, mama Obiabi because they are my friends and they deserve it too. Almost I see. I just say e basa and twaye. Baby abane dan one fan to ahere. If we turn so asaya there. Ebi ni yaka say e basa e be ma awards na gu because mom deserve you don't give it to them.
It is here.
And yes, a funny face ne kwadwo de na be a funny face in deserve but omo me na akọ nyane sa asem we aba. Nti o say kabi. You see that thing? Yeah. I say kabi. Over to Kumasi ayadwuma so many years. You won't be awarded. They won't even recognize you. But move to Accra a year or two. What you were doing in Kumasi, do the same thing in Accra, you'll be awarded. Why?
Only Mobia, one movie from Kumasi.
Somebody like Salimko. Salimko is a brother. We talk each and every day. Ya kasedin komo. Otena Kumasi sa kofi tena Kumasi sa wanja award da. Okotena Accra, onto wanja award. It tells us so those people want us to move to Accra before we get award. Coincidence da. Coincidence. Because nika. What I say, Kumasi from Bebrebe no munya, they don't get it. But when you move to Accra, you get it. And Kofi moved to Accra, he has gotten it. A Juma na wise, and so deserve. A Juma Bebrebe Kumasi or Moyen Kumasi ho. People deserve more than. But they are not getting it unless our productions move to Accra. I know some man no the region they are working so hard, so big time. Question movies. How many of them get awards? How many of them? I'm not talking for me. I'm not talking for you, but I'm talking for everybody. The industry players, we are suffering. I'm telling you, my brother, it's not easy. It's not something that is said. You can't try. Omo mani ko awards no mo hwere because awards na time will come on be awards on be ko conference center na national one no be any pet omo new tre because egu because me say the omo yenya fake ni kuro bi anyere enim na wo ko category na ma ground ho me say do ho e bia we ma big na they award come young girl ho ba dey adwuma no why who did you omo say nominate omo kro atem. I'm telling you who so be ma girl na ko nominate en ka so ka dey man straight. You shouldn't have nominated us. Son ekoso. Oko kan say we ought to Kumasi we illiterate. And then illiteracy is killing us. And who told you illiteracy is killing us? The talent is there. We do it and we do it to the OCCN. So you guys should award us. Not those people that will come and stand on TV and speaking, I am this, I'm that, and the next day the person will get an award.
Kumasi, another what to
bomb kwa na mbabe to na hwe ha say but some two grenade
Papa Kumasi
one shame member unim se amoka say ne setena ne eketo ne saka wa mo amade eten a o mo stele no mo keep no ma amo sipla because na be ma amade na ide aso ako because se saka na o yo da bo mo set call him and o saka emwa
Abuja for Papa Kumasi akasa. Men nye ne set caliber. Tie, efa ye caliber set. Kumasi me da se.
Me so me da se.
And 6 match as na be kakra. Afi de
6 match.
Di nkomo.
Ye di. And then krom nya heja obi e chele because intense. 6 match e be Kumasi. Parade no. Say the president si gina ho. Amanfo eni age e me Kumasi.
Eti enwumre da
he. Chilling to the rubber side. And then enwumre unsa me say me side program. Enti me no ka say channel papa straight to Akwaboso.
Hey.
Oh, me come and Subia Kwaboso. Me bought me ye fanfare.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nyambo me in the
okay.
7th.
Let's
Ochina 7th year Kwaboso. And sana 21st me say family wa Kwaboso. I'm telling you my brother. It's about time we spread our wings, you know, because more outside we know, they don't see the stars, but they love them. They always want to see the stars, but people don't go there.
Yeah.
So when you go there, that is why I cause our areas.
Why are they? I'm sure. There is something Mr. Fro.
So that's now only below. I'm person casting back. Obi a share that say we are say. Abom ho pa. I'm here deleting me Facebook. I said deleting me Instagram. You're hacking.
Oh,
somebody. Obi, I'm telling you. Me ni Obi akao. Me ni Obi.
Facebook, no Instagram.
Facebook, yeah, hack it. I change it, you know. Instagram, I hack it, change it, you know. Until Pacho Wadaroma, I quenya you, my fan faso.
It's what you
start following me, yeah. Pacho, who follow me, Ceciana?
I may follow
Pacho, Papa underscore Kumasi on Instagram.
Papa,
wherever you watch this program, just go to Instagram and then, you know, follow me. I'll follow you back because I follow for follow. Papa underscore Kumasi. What I say? I'm releasing you more. I know trouble for. Oh, my Papa. Hi, many are just saying. At the fucking sweet girl. My sweet girl, Papa B. My fresh girl, Papa. Very soon.
I remember.
Oh, yes.
Who chat from?
Oh, yes. Now won't be.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay,
yeah, that's it.
I'm still there.
That's the
I was out for with our so adebre no atena se no ahwe ewo Adum TV so ko Instagram ne ko follow Papa Kumasi Papa_Kumasi o se ne Instagram no na account na oda no asay am say obi from nti ko ne ko follow no e wo honom ma yem de sisi ayi me no ka say nti wo so ko ne ko follow no na bibia enkoye e ma no da se ne e be sa de dwumade abro na ya ma
Obi Fro.
Kofo frame me. President Kofo. Me boa. Observe. Meshia. That's it.